Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to download a Facebook video on your device using your computer. So, if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. First of all, you want to open your browser and search for facebook.com and log in your account. So once you've done that, just go ahead and find a video that you want to download. So for example, this one. So I want you to do is to click on the three little dots at the upper right corner of the video and click on copy link. And now just go ahead and open a new tab and search for Facebook video downloader. And now just go ahead and choose any website. So for example, this one. So now here, I want you to do is to paste the link that you've copied earlier and click on download. And by the way, the website that I am using is fdown.net. Okay, again, fdown.net. And here you can choose download video in normal quality or download video in HD quality. So I'm just gonna go ahead and choose download video in normal quality, and that is how you do it. So I'm just gonna check the video, and here it is. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.